Well, Gonzaga University putting these two seniors on probation for using a handgun to ward off an intruder at their off-campus apartment. But they had a legal permit for that gun, so does the punishment fit this so-called crime? And here for the debate, Remy Spencer, a criminal defense attorney, and David Schwartz, an attorney and former prosecutor. Thanks for being here this morning. Certainly a hot-button issue over at Gonzaga right now. So these guys use a gun that they had a permit for it. Person comes in, intruder comes in, felon, looking for cash, they defend themselves, and now they're in trouble? How is that the case?
That's unfortunately the circumstance. The school has a policy that says no weapons on campus. Now, these students were in an off-campus apartment that they rented from the university. The law here is not in conjunction, you can't reconcile the law with this school's policy because they were defending themselves. These students have a right to defend themselves. Our United States Supreme Court says that self-defense is a natural right. So this college, this Jesuit college, which teaches reverence to the natural law, has no more authority to interfere with it than our government does.
You're shaking your head, David.
Absolutely not. It's so cut and dry. This is a private college that has a private policy, and it doesn't just count for on-campus activities. It accounts for housing, campus-owned housing. This was clearly a campus-owned house. The handbook is very clear. You cannot possess a handgun on this property. Well, and it's not like they're being criminally charged here. The school is going to take action, and one of the actions, they could be expelled.
No, I think that's the point. They have not violated any state or federal laws, neither criminal nor civil. They were risking expulsion from their college as fourth-year seniors at the university for having a gun, protecting themselves when a six-time convicted felon showed up at their door. Why isn't the school doing a better job protecting their students and then reprimanding them for defending themselves?
Remy's a great lawyer, but she's 100% wrong here.
How so?
Because it's a private school. If you're a Fox News could set policy. They could set a policy. You can't bring a handgun into here. So it's the same thing. You can't bring a handgun in, and if you violate the rule of the private school, you have to face a penalty. It's very clear.
Let me ask you this. Can I ask you this?
Yeah.
These were two young men, right? Two college students. The intruder wanted cash. What if? And I know you don't like to do the what ifs. What if this were a female student, two female students, and that felon happened to be a convicted rapist? Right. What if that felon wanted more than money from a female student? Would we be having this debate right now?
I think it's apples and oranges. I really do. One is the campus policy. Now, if the school can't properly protect its students, that's another story altogether. They should be sued for that. There's no question about it. But when you're looking at this limited circumstance, there's certainly a public policy not to allow students to possess handguns on campus or in housing, and these students violated that policy, and therefore they should be punished, not criminally, but administratively.
Look, and I respect David very much. He's an excellent attorney, but I think he's got it wrong, because if this student did not come down the stairs with his gun, we could be having a completely different conversation. This convicted felon could have attacked the students. They could have been injured or hurt, because let's remember, the law treats these two students as victims, so that the school would be punishing them for protecting themselves is completely contrary to our criminal and state laws.
And I agree with that, but this is more of a global debate on the right to possess a gun, the Second Amendment. There's so many issues here, but the bottom line is there's a policy in place, it was violated, there needs to be a punishment.
But our United States Supreme Court said you have a natural right to defend yourself.
Under limited circumstances.
Well, a great debate here for sure. The president of the university actually saying he wants to have a more thoughtful conversation about it, so the two of you are on the game. Let us know what you think on Twitter at E. Hasselbeck here, and also on our Fox and Friends Facebook page about that. Coming up.